Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 11th April 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 15 points up move at the level of 11,666 and US markets have done pretty okay for itself and at the level of 6 points up on DowJones and 54 points up on Nasdaq and 10 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green in today's pre-open and open session. So Indian markets have almost reached the level of 11,760, which is the highest Indian markets have ever scaled to. So probably on the day of elections we will scale above that level, so we don't know about it. However, this is the time where we can do a spread. So a ratio spread is really great to make money, because you don't know if the market will actually go up or go down from here onwards. If the election on the election day, we don't know for a fact, because it is news triggered, and all that is making headlines will trigger the market upwards or downwards. This is the best time to do a ratio spread. So having said that, let us see what Indian markets have to offer in supports and resistances. First of all, fast stochastic is at the level of 60, so it has fallen quite a bit from the level of 90 levels to 60, and it is too surely showing that market is not in the overbought zone. Slow stochastic is at the level of 68, which means we are still not in an overbought zone. MACD is at negative now. MACD is showing 148 and exponential is at 163. So we have a negativity in MACD. The momentum shows that we will not go up very easily in the market. So last day before yesterday, 2 days back, I had sent you a mail stating that the market will go upwards. Nifty future will go upwards from the level of 11,655 levels, and by the end of day it closed at the level of 11,750 levels. So almost around 100 points up from the level where I had mentioned. I had given 11,702 as the level of target. However, you have made much more than whatever I have told you. However, what is the level of stop loss which I had mentioned? 11,630 levels. It came down to 11,632 and then rebounded back to the level of 11,750 and ended at that level at the end of day. So if you had just followed my instructions, you would have made in excess of 10,000 rupees on that day. So that being said, let us see what Indian markets has to offer in support and resistance. The supports being the level of 11,564, 11,550 and 11,500 are the strong supports we have to watch out for. If the market has to fall more than 11,484, 11,467 and 11,450, 11,428, 11,400 and 11,350 and 11,344 are the levels of support we have to watch out for from here onwards. What are the resistances we have to watch out for? The levels of resistances are not much. However, it is having a very strong resistance at 11,760, the all-time high. However, before we go up to that particular level, the level of 11,700 itself is a really strong resistance for the market now, and 11,642, 11,650, 11,700, 11,725 levels, sorry, 23 levels and 11,760 levels are the resistances we have to watch out for in today's session. So how do I know all these levels? That's because of technical analysis, and you will be taught 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis happening on Saturday and Sunday, that is 13th and 14th, you will be taught 3 strategies plus 1 strategy, which makes me about 50% to about 100% in just one day. That strategy I will be teaching, and today I have a students only session at 8 o'clock to teach that particular strategy, which has been making money for me on a daily basis. So that being said, if you want all this technical knowledge, click on the first link in the description below. You'll be taught 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.